Today we are going to be making some starships, and we're going to start off with the Millennium Falcon. For this craft you're going to need some paper, pencil, your scissors, and a ruler of some kind. We have paper that's really big. You're going to want to measure out a square, and that means all sides need to be the same length. So you're going to take your ruler, you're going to put your ruler on one end, and then you're going to measure out 8.5 inches. If you want to just do a straight 8 inches, that is fine. Here's my 8. I'm going to go with 8.5. That's the middle line. Make your line on both sides. And then draw your line so that we have 8 inches here. 8.5 inches also has to go the other way. So I'm just going to put my edge of my paper at 8.5 inches, and then I can just draw a line at the end here. Makes it a little bit easier. And I'm going to go ahead and cut out my square. So you want to pause now, measure, and cut out your square. Now that you have your square, you are ready to start folding. And in case you're wondering if you wanted to do a color other than white, you can. For recording purposes, I'm using white because it'll be a lot easier for you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. So I have my square. My first step, I'm going to take one corner and I'm going to go diagonally and hold it at the other corner. And then I'm going to fold. And I'm going to crease it. Okay, I've got a triangle now. You're going to want to open this back up. Then you're going to take the other corner, and I just turned my paper, make it easier. This corner that I did not fold yet matches with the other side, and then I'm going to go and fold again. And again, you're going to open it up. You should see an X. I hope you guys can see that in the middle of your paper. Now, you're going to take the right side of your paper and you are going to fold it so it is almost, but not quite, here. I'm going to draw a line here just so you guys can see better my X. Okay, there's my X. Now, I'm going to fold this so it almost meets the center. Not quite, but almost. And I'm going to crease my paper. Okay, now I'm right-handed, so I'm actually going to just go like this. So my other side is on the side that I want to fold on. If you're left-handed, you could certainly do this the other way. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take this side and I'm going to fold it so it almost, but not quite, reaches the X in the middle. Okay, so you should have, if you could see this here, some creases right here. And some creases right here. There you go. I drew the line so that you can see a little bit better. You're going to look here at this dot that I've just drawn to where the X in the corner meets the fold. Okay? And you're going to use those to fold this end up. Okay. If you want, you can use a ruler. It doesn't need to be exact. Okay. So I have that, and then you're going to unfold. All right. This is kind of the tricky part. You're going to use this middle fold and fold it in. Okay, wanting to be careful, fold it in. Okay, and then you're going to repeat on this side. You're going to take this middle section and you're going to fold it like so. All right, now you see those two dots? These two dots are going to end up on the outside. You're going to kind of flatten this part and pull these out at the same time so that it looks like this. Okay? See those two dots there on the outside again? Okay. Okay. Then you're going to take these and we want to turn them up so that they are facing the front. Voila. And then you're going to fold this bottom and you're going to meet it up with the other flat side here. Okay. Voila. Okay, so now on this long flat side, you have some creases here, and you have some creases there, okay? These two creases are then going to be folded in, and then you should have these kind of meeting. Voila. There you go. All right, now that you have this, you're going to take this right here and you are going to fold it in on a diagonal like so. You are then going to go to the other side and fold that diagonally in half. Okay. then you should be able to turn this over, and you have the Millennium Falcon. Okay, and you can then decorate it with a pen or marker or colored pencil if you want, or if you chose black, then you don't have to. But let's see, they have some markings in the middle. Okay, we have points. Isn't it beautiful? You can decorate yours any way you want. I hope you had fun making the Millennium Falcon.